The reason I became a physio was to give something back, was to help people, avoid my suffering, what I went through. I retired through injury as a footballer at a relatively young age, at 23 years old. I'd suffered 8 operations, I'd been through 3 years of rehabilitation, and I just wanted to, use my story and, help the community really. PhysioBlu exists because of my experience and my story. My frustration with physio is that in the past 10 years, I would say it's become a little bit more of a commodity. People call themselves physios without really, thinking too much about it. My experience is I've undergone extensive physiotherapy myself, and I relay that to my patients and our team. And we, have suffered the agony and understand what you go through. And I do feel that a lot of physios, they don't look at you as a person, they look at you as an exercise sheet, and on your bike, there you go. People think it's only just exercise. People don't look at the bigger picture. Exercise alone is not enough. Because of my experience, I've suffered my own injury, and I've been through countless physiotherapy rehabilitation, and I know that general physio is not enough. You need to look at the holistic approach, and that's what we're trying to do at PhysioBlu. We look at each and individual and try and give you the professional healthcare which you deserve. Before we start all of our sessions here at PhysioBlu, we always explain to our clients that we're not for everybody. So if you want to commit to treatment, we take responsibility. However, you as the individual also have to take responsibility. And remember, we are the experts. However, it's up to you if you go ahead with our treatment. We can give you all the treatment you want, but if you go away and don't take any notes of what we're saying, then that's your prerogative. But this is very rare, and this doesn't happen, which makes PhysioBlu really, the go-to sought after experts. Physio can't help you if you don't want the help. We can only help you if you allow us. The most common problem we see in our nationwide network is, without question, back pain. Now, back pain, I don't want to bore you with all the statistics, but ultimately, if you haven't had back pain, believe me, you will get it, because 90% of the population will, at some time in their life, suffer from back pain. We also see a lot of sports injuries. With my background as a professional footballer and also an ex-Premier League physio, we do treat a lot of people who are suffering with, niggles that are not quite responded to general physio exercises and who need our expert input. And obviously, along with that, we do deal a lot with the occupational health side of things, transforming our physio background into the occupational health and the workforce, such as repetitive strain injuries. So those are our main areas. The patient needs to help themselves. We're not miracle workers. We can give you help, treatment, hands-on care, which really does frustrate me a lot about the general physiotherapy world, is that people just give out exercises willy-nilly. That is not the case here at PhysioBlu. We are very much a hands-on based physiotherapy company who use our expertise and secret methods and strategies that will allow us to do 70% of the work and you do 30% of the work, and that's how we operate, and our clients absolutely love it. A lot of people think physio is your sports injury type stuff, but although that's where we did start, we do help a lot, and a lot of people with knee arthritis, which is a debilitating injury. We definitely can help you with coping with arthritis, because we know ourselves when we see our patients that it is a debilitating injury and there's no fix. However, we can help you reduce your pain and increase your mobility and get back to enjoying your life again. It's the same with back pain. Traditional physiotherapy, for back pain gives out sheets of exercises. We look at the bigger picture. We look how you can help manage your back pain in the most effective and fastest way possible. PhysioBlu, the healthcare once reserved for the professionals.